Hello buddies and welcome to the Concepts and Facts. And today we will talk about the PLI scheme, production linked incentive scheme basically for the textile. And if you talk about why in news, the government on Thursday said that it has approved the 61 application of companies including the Guinea Filaments, Kimberly Clark India Private Limited, Arvind Limited with an investment potential of 19,000 crore under the PLI scheme for the textile, and that's why the PLI scheme for textile in new. So PLI scheme are expected to result in project turnover of 1.85 lakh crore over a period of 5 years with a proposed direct employment of 2.54 lakh crore. So now if you talk about the aims of the PLI for textile, then PLI scheme for textile aims to promote the production of the high value man-made fibers. Remember that the man-made fiber, fabrics and garments and technical textile is the main aim of the PLI scheme under the textile. If you talk about the eligibility, means who are the eligible to get incentive under the PLI scheme for textile, then remember that any person or a company willing to invest a minimum of 300 crore in a plant, machinery, equipment and civil works excluding the land and administrative building cost to products in the man-made fabric and garments and products of technical textile will be eligible to participate in the first part of the scheme. Now, in the second part, if you look at investor willing to invest the 100 crore under the same condition shall be eligible to apply in the second part of the scheme. These are the eligibility criteria. Now, if you talk about the incentive which is given to the manufacturer, then remember that center will subsidize the eligible manufacturer by paying incentive on incremental production. If you talk about the companies investing over the 300 crore will be given an incentive of 15%, which need to be 1600 crore in the third year. Further, if you talk about company investing RS 100 crore will get an investment lower than the 50% of their turnover. Further, if you talk about this PLI scheme, not only basically for the textile, but it is basically for the 15 sector. And if you look at the advanced chemistry battery, electronic or technology products, if you talk about automobile and auto components, pharmaceutical drug, electronics and mobile electronics, food products, if you look at textile production, as I have already told you, high efficiency solar photovoltaic module, white good basically AC, if you look around the specialty steel and telecom networking product, and if you talk about the manufacturing of the medical devices. So these are the 15 sectors which comes under the PLI scheme. Remember that with the various allocation, if you look where, which you need not to remember. If you talk about the question on the basis of this, which of the following are included in the production linked incentive scheme? First is the solar module, pharmaceutical cell battery, drones, metals and mining. So which of the following is correct? So option D, all are correct because all are included under the PLI scheme along with the 10 other sectors. So thank you guys. Hope you like this video. You should subscribe my channel. Tomorrow we will meet with a new video.